video. This is a Christmas video and it has to be with Riya, obviously.
We love Christmas.
Yeah, we love Christmas. You can tell.
Yeah.
So this is like a super fun thing that we decided to do.
To do.
Yeah, we decided that we would give each other Christmas gifts and open them, but then we didn't have much time, so we were like, let's make it fun and let's gift each other grocery store. Wait, let's gift each other grocery store gifts.
Yes. And anyway, we gift each other a lot of stuff through the
Yeah,
years.
so then this is like more fun
for
and
us.
random.
And we love grocery shopping.
Yeah, we always shop together when we travel. So we had a list, like we had to get things according to that list. So now we'll explain those one by one.
Okay. So the first thing is something Christmassy. But it couldn't be like something directly Christmassy.
Yeah, like it can't be like a Christmas gingerbread cookie or something like that.
Correct.
Like it has to give the Christmas vibes. The second thing was, something you want the other person to try. So maybe they've never tried it before, or you like it and you want them to try it.
Or you think they'll like it.
Yeah.
Something they can't do without except
coffee and matcha, because we obviously know that.
Yeah.
And that would become very easy. Like getting coffee would literally.
That's predictable.
So something else that they can't do without.
Yeah.
Then the fourth thing was something that we have together. Like maybe we've had it before sometime or something like that.
Yeah. Something that has the person's initials in it.
Now this is sort of tricky, you have to
Complicated.
understand. Suppose Riya's initials are RG, Riya Gurnani. So the thing has to start with an R and G has to be there somewhere in the word or like in the thing somewhere.
This was tough.
This was tough, but mine is so random.
Bro, mine was random, but I took it, I put it in the basket, and I found something else. So I put that back and I took the other thing.
No, we said the fifth thing.
Sixth thing.
Yeah.
Is surprise me.
It's random, like whatever you feel you want to give. Just
Anything.
Too random, yeah. Now we'll show one by one and we vlogged the grocery store thing, so you all see that. So we are at Nature's Basket and now we're gonna get all the stuff for each other.
Excited.
And you know what we have to
Yeah,
get,
you
right?
sent me the
I
list.
sent you. Y'all basically will understand what we are getting as in when, like we'll explain it when we go home. So I'll put those clips so you'll understand basically everything that we're gonna do now. And Riya's also gonna vlog, I'm also gonna
Are you gonna do it in order?
No.
Anything,
like,
whatever you get,
just
whatever.
explain first and then I'll just add it in the middle.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Cool.
Cool. Let's do this.
And even when in the end we'll build it separately, so we don't know.
Why am I stressed?
So you don't know what I got you. Like we'll open in the reveal only.
No, when we build, I'll close your eyes.
Like go separately.
Okay, fine.
Cool. Let's go. There's a Christmas section here, but we are not allowed to use this.
No.
So bye bye.
It has to be something we think is
It's Christmassy.
not like directly.
Yeah. Just having a look and trying to think what we can do.
Soon we're going to part ways.
Yeah.
Right now, but we're not talking about what we're thinking. We're
Yeah.
just walking in. This is quite stressful. We've never done a challenge.
But we've gone to grocery stores so many times together, like when we are traveling.
Every time we travel, we go. But this time we have two baskets.
Separate. Yeah. Nice. I have 1-2 ideas.
Are we allowed to shop other than our
You can. Guys, I am so confused. I don't know what to do. For Christmassy, I was thinking of getting marshmallows. I think that might be a very cute idea, but I hope she doesn't get me the same thing. So now I'm gonna find marshmallows.
Not gonna lie, I think this is gonna be tough because I'm looking around and I don't know where to. Don't know where to start, what to get. Like, does something Christmassy mean like red and green packaging, or does it mean something like that's actually Christmassy, like hot chocolate, like, you know?
I have found this, but this has flavors, so I don't know which one. This looks fine, I guess. This is better. It's salted caramel. She might like it.
Look what I found for something Christmassy. This is perfect. I got some kimchi cup ramen because this is something we eat together a lot. Yeah, that's one done. Let's go. There's so many ramen here, by the way. Like, oh my god.
One thing is done. 4 more to go. And something that we have together, I was thinking chips, because we always have like chips together. So let's find. I think I'm gonna go for ramen or something Riya can't live without because she is obsessed.
I am looking for something specific for the thing that Kanchi can't do without. That's not matcha. And I'm looking for Yakult. I don't know where it is. Or like some sort of strawberry milkshake or something. I'm just confused.
I was thinking of getting her bhakar vadi for something you need to try because that's a Gujarati like snack and I love it and I have it a lot. So maybe, I am sure she has never tried it. So this would be like a great option for her to try. Here it is. But it says flaxseed bhakar vadi, so I don't know how it will look. I think all the bhakar vadi has. It looks quite yummy. So crispy dough spirals. Yeah, okay, I'm taking it.
Okay, I found something that starts with K and has S in it. All of these like Kia parsley, Kia pasta seasoning, Kia tacos and nacho seasoning. I feel like all of these will pass for that, right? I don't know which one to take. Which one should I take? Should I take Kia lemongrass? No, what do we do with that? Let's take Kia tacos and nacho seasoning. Why are both the things in my basket orange? Can't go there because Kanchi is there and that's where I got the seasoning from.
Guys, I could take this for the initials because Raghu, RG, but it's tomato puree and she doesn't like tomato, like she doesn't like ketchup, but tomato puree is different from ketchup, right? I'm still confused. That's why oh, wait, this is interesting. It's pizza sauce, so I think this would be better than taking the one with, like, you know, the tomato puree. Pizza sauce, or they have tomato, garlic and onion sauce.
I am like overthinking the seasoning because what will we do with that? Like, what will we do with tacos and nacho seasoning? We can't even eat it now. And I found Kinder Choco Buns. I don't know what it is, but it starts with K and it has an S, and I think it's perfect. So I'm putting that in and I'm gonna get rid of this.
This could also be an option for something you want them to try because it's literally one of my most favorite healthy snacks. So I can keep this as an option.
I am on the hunt for Yakult now.
We are now leaving from here. The guy stopped us in the middle like, you can't vlog and all that.
He told us both separately.
Yeah, but thoda whatever y'all saw, y'all saw.
Yeah.
And then we were just shopping and we have got all the stuff and I'm so excited for Ria to see.
I'll tell you one thing honestly.
What?
I saw one thing.
But that's it. And that, when you hear now, you'll understand. Like that's kind of like a secondary thing.
Oh,
okay.
Did you get like, wait,
no,
you know what?
For one thing I got like that because
for one thing you got two.
Yes.
Same, even I got, and then I was like, actually that one thing can be like the surprise thing and something else.
So like,
so it's a.
So she didn't see actually what it is, but yeah.
I just saw
so much fun.
Too good. It was enjoyable.
My most funny one is the initial one. It's something so random.
My initial one was so funny. I put it back. I'll tell you. See it in the vlog because I vlogged that.
Cool.
So should we start in order only?
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Christmassy, something Christmassy has to be first.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. I'll give
Huh.
it first. Okay. Start.
Ah.
Okay.
Open.
Yeah.
Oh, look at kisses. Grinch, like Grinch themed kisses.
Yeah.
Look at this. Wait, focus.
Bro, I saw this and I was
This is literally like so cute.
This is
you know,
so
I saw
cute.
this. But by that time I had already bought my Christmas.
I saw
thing.
many Christmassy things.
So then I'm like, no, I don't want to get
This
this.
is so cute.
This is very cute.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is cute, huh?
And the packaging is so cute. There's like a Santa hat on the Grinch.
Okay, open.
You know what?
You were gonna get this?
No, I didn't see this. I was looking for it.
I asked that guy, can you give me this? And he's like, I told him, okay, bhaiya, please mujhe. It's by the way, it's marshmallows.
Oh my god. And it's salted caramel marshmallows.
Yeah, and I told him, जोर से मत बोलना, सिर्फ मुझे दे दो हाथ में. And there were 2-3 flavors, but this looked the yummiest.
What were the other flavors?
Bro, something like cheese pineapple.
Yum. Salted caramel nachos.
And like
marshmallows.
Marshmallows, because I know you'll have hot chocolate sometime this season. So
I will for sure.
You can add these.
Very good gift.
Now the second thing, what is it?
What is it? I don't know.
Something you want the other person to try.
Keep your hands out, na? Yeah.
Oh my god! Chupa Chups sparkling like it's a drink.
Yes.
Strawberry and cream. Guys, wait, look at this properly. Chupa Chups, it's a Chupa Chups drink and I think you have tried it.
Yeah, I've tried it and I know you will like it. Like it's like a very sweet, nice drink. There was a grape also, but you.
Yeah, I'm very excited. I'll have it today only.
Yeah, okay. Kanchi
I got you something similar on these lines. But
Really?
not now, later. I'm giving you yours. Okay, guys. Now for this category, I got Riya 2 gifts because if she doesn't like the first one, then there's a.
So you think I won't
sale.
like the first one?
If.
Okay.
Because you've never had it in your life.
Okay. Sorry.
Close your eyes. Wait, huh? Hint, it's a Gujarati thing.
Oh! What is this?
It's bakarwadi. And
I
it's
love
one of my
bakarwadi.
favorite snacks.
I love this, yeah.
Okay, good.
It's too good.
It's too
Oh,
good.
that's why, you know, Kanchi's Nature's Basket bag was so full. It was so full, like things were falling out. And I was thinking, like, why is she? But this is yum. It's like spicy.
Yeah,
and
it's like a very snacky texture and hard and
that
spicy.
round thing and a
Round
spiral
thing
in the
with that
middle.
thing in it.
Yeah.
And I didn't know if Riya has ever had it, and I have
I
it
love
all
it.
the time at my house.
Is it always flaxseed?
That was I was confused about, but it looked the same from the picture.
Yeah, it
so I
looks
took
right.
it. And you know what was my backup? If
Great taste, great health. Yeah, something.
if you didn't like this.
What is it?
And especially this brand ka. This brand ka piri piri makhana is
Can I
insane.
show you something?
You have it? Snackies all the time. In fact, you'll have seen me have this also in one of my snacking videos. So that's why I wanted her to try it if she's not tried it. Oh! Yours is which flavor?
Lime and chili.
But have you tried this one?
I think, yeah.
It's too good.
But it's yum. Makhana in general is too yum. Basically, she tried to get me something healthy. That's what's happening here.
Both these are. Wait, what the hell? I don't want it. Okay, next.
Me and my bakarwadi.
But I don't think you would have it as usually as I would.
No,
That's
I
what
don't have it often.
Yeah.
But that was a good thing. Like, I would enjoy that.
Yes.
Okay. What's the next one? Something you can't do without except matcha and
Yeah,
coffee.
something we can't do without. Why? Eee, it's heavy. One open. Yakult! I love this. I haven't had Yakult in
Did
so
you
long.
know they had a mango flavored Yakult?
It was there?
Yeah.
Is this?
But no, I didn't
No,
know
this
if
is
you
not.
like that or
Yeah.
not.
I love this. Oh my god.
This is a good thing.
This is like too good. Eee, I got my Yakult stock.
There's no singular Yakult anywhere, you know.
Yeah, there's
You have to buy the whole pack.
Okay, now it's Riya's turn.
Oh my god! And this particular ramen,
Yes.
I love it.
I told them that Riya, another thing apart from coffee that Riya loves is ramen, and she could have it at any time.
Yeah. I can eat ramen for too many meals.
But I was
can
so
anytime
confused
eat ramen.
which flavor and which. But I know, I think Riya likes this.
I love this flavor. I love buldak also. This is too good. Hit it on the spot. Too good.
We know each other so well.
Too well, yeah. Something you'll have together.
Oh, this is. Wait, what did I get? Ha, okay, yeah. I didn't get it. Okay.
You got it now.
Ah, God, give. Ramen! That too, the kimchi one which Riya made me try
Yeah.
on the flight when we were coming back from Bali.
And then after that, you love it now. We had it at home also. We had it on flight.
We had it many times.
And we had this exact same cup noodle.
Yeah, exactly. Like it was cup noodles only.
That's why I didn't get the packet because I was like, this
so
is
we
what
both
have.
got each other
Ramen. As soon as I saw it, I was like, shit, what next? It's ramen.
Yeah. Winters I crave ramen a lot.
Ramen is too good. It's too good.
1, 2, 3, open.
Huh? Oh wow, what is
Iced tea.
Oh wow.
If we don't have coffee or something, we
We
always
have iced tea. Strawberry lemon sparkling. This looks too good.
Strawberry because I'm like something related
Yeah.
to me.
Oh. No, but this looks too good. What brand is this? Is it focused?
Yeah. Even I've never tried it, but it looked cute.
It's
So
looking
I'm like,
when you have the chupa chup drink, I have this.
Yes.
Yeah, done. This looks
We
so
should
good.
have it while filming Riya's video.
Should we have it now?
Next, last one. The fifth, not the last one, second last one.
No, the KS and RG one.
The initials. Scared for this?
No, mine. Yours is good. This is
Oh! Kinder Joy.
Kinder Choco Bone.
Also S Kinder.
Yes.
Wait, I'll show you. The K and the Choco has S. So K,
Yeah.
KS.
yes.
And I've never tried it. It's Kinder Joy only but small.
Can I tell you what? Which my previous choice was? It was the Kia tacos and nacho seasoning.
I would still like it.
But It's just a jar with masala inside. Kya pasta seasoning. Think the same thing.
It's very similar to what she said.
Okay, fine. But this is good.
This is very good.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, see. What will we do?
Then you make pizza.
She got me pizza sauce.
You can add it to your pasta also. Anita.
Yeah, you can add it. But you didn't find anything else with that.
No, there was one more thing. That was Rage coffee. But I'm like, I don't want to get you coffee. That's not
Fair.
the thing.
Fair.
There was nothing else with RG. I searched the whole thing. This was so direct.
But this is too good, huh? Raghu is like the perfect, like
RG.
Yeah, this is perfect. What
You're
the
very
hell am I
good.
doing? She's sitting on me. Thank you, Panchu, for stocking my house. Amazing. Good job.
There has to be one funny thing. Last one. Surprise me.
Ready?
This is random anything.
Yeah. Put your hand down now.
Oh! Yeah! Pocky!
She loves Pocky. She loves Pocky. Every time we travel
I got
anywhere.
you something on the same lines.
Okay. Give it. Oh, Yamma! Oh, Sapas! Cute. Very
Riya
cute.
loves candy.
I love chocolate candy. I have a major sweet tooth.
And even you got me Kinder Joy.
Yeah. Oh, this is Barbie Kinder. Yeah, maybe the toy inside will be a Barbie
Yeah,
toy.
could be.
Because what's the difference? Packaging before.
And obviously this
Sapas
was an
is
OG.
too good. Yeah. This is enjoyable. Good
Yeah.
job.
Good. We both did a good job.
You are broken.
What is this?
That was a good job.
That was a good Christmas gifting session.
And the
snacking
drinks
session.
are perfect, bro.
Yeah,
Like the
they're
drinks.
so similar to each
Yeah.
other.
Even the packaging is
Yeah.
pink and like it's
You have to
perfect.
tell your favorite.
Really?
Yeah, actually I like everything.
Yeah, I think we did a good job.
We did a very good job.
It would have been tough if you're doing it with someone you don't know.
Yeah, it would be very
Yeah. But then we go grocery shopping together a lot. So I already know, like, even when we enter the grocery shop anywhere in the world, like Kanchi always
You know
has
one
the
thing
same
what
pick.
we didn't do, what both of us didn't get for each other,
What?
any kind of chips.
Yeah.
I was going to get it for what we eat together. I was
Where
gonna-
were the chips?
There was a whole like nachos and
Oh, I didn't
like
see
Doritos
chips.
and all that. But whatever.
But I guess you can't do without chips either. You eat a lot of chips.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think you all should do this with your friends because it's
Yeah.
so low
It's fun.
maintenance and
Yeah.
like you don't have to think a lot. And
And our
just
bill
get
was
them
also
snacks.
not too much.
Yeah.
What was your bill?
1100.
And mine was 1600. So that's not bad, I think.
Yeah.
That was good.
That was good. That was good.
I mean, for Christmas gifts.
For Christmas,
Bro,
I
like
know.
you got 6 gifts in 1600. Think about that.
You got 8 gifts. Two.
Which one had 2?
No, I got 7 now because you gave me the makhana.
Ha, now you got 7. Too good. Right.
We are going to make another video on Riya's channel where we are going to make Christmas cookies. We are going to decorate them. So go and watch that. Maybe this will come out on the same day or whatever.
Yeah.
We'll try to.
We'll see. We'll try to
Match
align
it.
it. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I don't know if this is the last video of the year. It might be.
Oh my god,
So
what?
if it is, then I love
No.
you guys. See you next year.
What? That's me one
No, because this Saturday is one more video going, and this video I'll try to put it before Christmas or on Christmas. Then there'll be one Saturday, so if I do something, you all will see.
Bro, it's the last video of the year.
But it's a good video.
It's a nice video.
It's a nice video to end.
It's a solid video.
Yeah. Okay. See you soon. Bye.